Welcome back to another episode. In a world that constantly tells us what we lack, today we're exploring a simple yet profoundly powerful practice that reveals the abundance we already possess. Keeping a gratitude journal. Before we dive in, make sure you hit that like button so you never miss an upload. And remember to subscribe so you can join us every week as we explore new ways to enrich your spiritual well-being. Do you ever feel caught in a cycle of wanting more? Does the constant focus on what's next leave you feeling unfulfilled today? Many of us ask the question, how can I be happy with what I have when there's always something better to chase? What's the secret to finding contentment in the present moment? If these questions resonate with you, then this message is for you. Join me as we uncover 3 transformative ways a daily gratitude practice can reshape your entire perspective and deepen your connection with the divine. Number 1. Gratitude rewires your brain for positivity. Our minds are naturally wired with a negativity bias. It's a survival mechanism to look for threats. But in modern life, this often leaves us dwelling on worries and frustrations. A gratitude practice actively counteracts this. By intentionally searching for and writing down things you are thankful for, you create new neural pathways. It's like training a muscle. This consistent focus on the good shifts your default mindset from one of scarcity to one of abundance, allowing you to see blessings where you once saw problems. Number 2. It deepens your connection to the present moment. So much of our anxiety comes from regretting the past or worrying about the future. Gratitude is an anchor to the now. When you pause to acknowledge the small, simple joys, the taste of your morning coffee, the sound of a loved one's laughter, the comfort of your bed, you are practicing mindfulness. This act of appreciation pulls you out of the mental chatter and into the reality of the present. It allows you to experience life more fully and peacefully, recognizing that this very moment is a gift. Number 3. It cultivates resilience in challenging times. Practicing gratitude doesn't mean ignoring life's hardships. Instead, it equips you to face them with strength. During difficult times, your journal becomes a powerful reminder of the support systems, inner strengths, and past blessings that have carried you through before. It allows you to find the light even in the darkness, to be thankful for the lesson in the struggle, the friend who called, or the simple fact of your own breath. This perspective shift builds profound emotional and spiritual resilience, turning challenges into opportunities for growth. So, when we make gratitude a daily practice, we are not just writing in a book. We are investing in a life filled with joy, presence, and unwavering strength. Gratitude is the key that unlocks the fullness of life. It turns what we have into enough and more. I would love to hear from you. What is one small thing you are grateful for today? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Also, if you enjoyed this episode, please give us a thumbs up and share it with someone who could benefit from this message. Your support means everything to us. Don't forget to subscribe for more enlightening messages every week. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Until next time, live gratefully and stay blessed.